Well, as you can see here, folks, I have received back the repainted bodywork for the 1973 Suzuki TS50 restoration project. Just got it back 2 days ago, took it out of the boxes in multiple boxes, and did a quick inspection to make sure everything looked good. It does. I didn't find any damage at all. I think the painter, as usual, did a great job with it. He did line the fuel tank, by the way. Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. I leave that decision up to him. I did most of the repair on the various pieces of the bodywork here except for the fuel tank, and I let the painter take care of some very minor dents in the fuel tank before he repaired or repainted it. The rest of the items, essentially, I did the repairs on before I shipped it to him. He custom matched the color himself. To my knowledge, there is no color code for this particular color. If there is, I'm not aware of it. It might be out there, I just haven't come across it. But he does his own color matching anyway. The decals on the fuel tank, the red and white decals or decorations, came from Reproduction Decals in Ontario. I think they go by the name of Diablo Cycle now. The tank badge, it says Suzuki, that is the original, and it's just been restored. The 50 decals on the two side covers, as well as the CCI lettering on the cover on the left. The painter has those reproduced locally to him. He has somebody that does that for him. So my next step, obviously, is do another inspection of the parts, then begin attaching them to the bike. I'll start with the rear and front fenders. Side covers will stay off for a while. Make sure everything is squared away on the bike before I put those on. And the fuel tank will be one of the later items I put on as well. I have to put that on, though, before I can put the seat on, before I can do the final or the first ride and then the final review out here on the concrete. But I thought folks might be interested in seeing what it looked like fresh out of the packaging from the painter. That's going to be it for this video today, folks. Any issues, questions, thoughts, drop me a note. Otherwise, as usual, thanks for watching.